Welcome back. Not every parent is happy with the government's decision over MOI issue. Reactions are coming from all sections of the society. In Bicholi Taluka, most of the parents are in favor of regional languages. They are not happy with the decision promoting English as medium at the primary level.
Though government is firm on its decision over the MOI issue, not every parent is happy with this decision. In Bichole Taluka, these are three main schools: Our Lady of Grace High School, Shanta Durga High School and Radhakrishna High School. The Parents Teachers Association of this school feel that promoting English medium at primary level will destroy the Goan culture.
देशान खंयसरूच असो येना कायदो ना की प्राथमीक शिक्षण जे आसा पळय हे ते राज्याची भाशा सोडून दुसऱ्या भाशेन दिवपाचें. पूण गोंय एकूच ह्या खातीर अपवाद आसा आनी ह्या खातीर हे गोंयचे राजकारणी जे आसात ह्या सगळे जबाबदार आसात. गोंयची संस्कृती ना करपा खातीर गोंयचो मुख्यमंत्री दिगंबर कामत आज फुडें सरलेलो आसा आनी ह्या गोष्टीचो हांव निशेध करता.
Parents claim that base of regional language is necessary at the primary level.
आमचे प्राथमिक शिक्षण सुद्दां मराठी माध्यमांतल्यान जाल्लें आसा आनी मराठी माध्यम जें आसा तें सुरवातीक शिकल्या उपरांत मराठी माध्यमांतसून शिकल्या उपरांत फुडें इंग्लीश जावं तुमचे खंयची जे तुमी लँग्वेजीन शिकतले आसत ताका कांयच प्रॉब्लम येना. उलट वयल्यान तुमचें बरे तरेन शिक्षण पूर्ण जाता.
A reporter from Bichole, Uday Parab.
People from Fatorda have threatened of Fatorda Bandh on 3rd July. They claim that in spite of repetitive complaints against illegal scrapyards in Fatorda, no authority has taken any action. They have given an ultimatum till 2nd July.
Fatorda Development Committee held a press briefing on Monday at Madgaon. They claim that there are 13 illegal scrapyards at Fatorda in residential areas. They have threatened Fatorda Bandh on 3rd July. They claim that even after a number of complaints to the concerned authorities, no one has taken any action.
आमी ते लोकांक करून दाखोवपाक सोदता. सपोज ते तर आमी तांकां डेडलायन दिल्यार 2 जुलय. 2 जुलय भितर जायना जाल्यार आमी 3 तारखेर आमी आख्खे फातोर्डा बंद, टोटल फातोर्डा बंद करतले.
Earlier, gas blast at one of the scrapyards at Fatorda had taken life of 2 workers in the area.
कित्याक लोक हांगा खूब सफर जाता. इवन ते रस्त्यार चलता आसतना लोक भिता. कित्याक रस्त्यार येवन सगळे इल्लीगल काम करता. जावं तेंचे वयर वचून आख्खी लोकां शेतान आतां लोक शेतार वयता. आतां पळोवपाक गेले जाल्यार लोकांनी आमकां खुबशी कंप्लेन दिल्या की तेंचे हात हें जाता ऑयलीन फुट्टा. सो हें कितें हें आजून पासून हे गव्हर्मेंटान कित्याक एक्शन घेवना.
Our reporter from Fatorda, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Panji market is getting a much needed cleanup. The CCP has started a Chaka-Chak cleanliness drive in the Panjim market. The CCP will continue the drive for a few more days.
CCP workers were busy sweeping and mopping the CCP market on Monday under a special cleanliness drive called Panji Market Chaka Chak. These workers were cleaning up the market. 25 workers are undertaking a thorough cleanup of the entire Panji market area. Clogged drains are being cleaned, the floors being washed, mopped, and the garbage is being cleared from areas within the market complex.
No, right now we have started this drive in the market. Let us put the market in place. A lot of maintenance and development of works are being carried out in the market, and some works have already started, and it will take around a month to complete all the development and maintenance work of the market.
Parekh also said that those found spitting and urinating in the CCP market will be fined.
We have also found out that a lot of spitting, urinating and all that sort of things are being carried on by the market vendors as well as the visitors. So it is our earnest request to stop this, or action will be commenced in short while. We are working out a modalities whereby police as well as our inspectors, our staff will be deployed there and will be fining them very severely.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
Entry of foreign tourists is restricted in some of the temples in the state. This restriction has come following complaints about inappropriate clothing and behavior of foreign tourists. However, Some of the temples have introduced a strict dress code for visitors.
Temple Committee of Mahasa Narayani Temple in Mardol have taken an unanimous decision to restrict foreign tourists in the temple. They have received complaints of inappropriate clothing and behavior of foreign tourists.
ड्रेस कोड ते सामके कपडे कपडे घालून येता म्हणटरी आमी एक बॅन केला. दुसरे जे आमचे देवाक वापरता ते हार ते पयलीं आपल्या गळ्यान घालता आनी मागीर व्हरता आनी देवा टाटन जाता ते मागीर देवा वापरान येता. आनी तीर्थ जेन्ना ते प्राशन करता आसतना परत ते तीर्थ तांब्यान रकयता ताका प्राशन पळोवंकूच कळना कशें करता. हे आमी प्रत्यक्ष आमच्या दोळ्यांनी पळयलां आनी त्या खातीर आमी तशें डिसिजन घेतलां आमच्या कमिटीन 8 जाणांच्या की तांकां सद्या रिस्ट्रिक्ट करचें.
However, Mangesh Temple in Ponda have introduced a strict dress code for visitors. Entry with Indian attire covering full body, no entry with short pants, casual picnic wear and other revealing dresses. Goan beaches temples have highlighted Goa on world map. Around 4 lakh foreigners travel to Goa every year to enjoy serenity full of beaches, ancient temples and churches. But now temple committees are strict with their dress code. With bureau inputs, our reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent Media.
Chinmaya Mission's Panji Center is organizing an annual Gita Jnana Yajna from Tuesday, 14th June at Panji. Disconnect to connect is the topic of this lecture series. Swami Advaitananda will deliver a discourse on Bhagavad Gita chapter 10 in this series.
This topic is specially focused on youth as well as adults. Lecture will start at 6:30 in the evening at Mahalakshmi Temple premises in Panji. Morning discourse will start from 15 June on Shri Ram Gita from 7 a.m. at Chinmaya Alok Santines.
This year the discourse will be given by Swami Advaitanand. He is presently the resident Acharya of Chinmay Vibhuti Kolvan. Information technology, iPads, iPhones. So we see constantly there is a sort of distraction for the children and particularly the youth. So I think some way to discipline your life, some way to understand what Indianness is and what Indian values and philosophies are. I think discourses like this do help in terms of reorienting and refocusing yourself.
Our reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
It's time now for another short break. Stay tuned.